Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, I'll be making some pineapple shrimp fried rice, and we're going to jump right into the ingredients. Now we're going to be starting with our green vegetables, our seasoning. So here I have onion, garlic, bell peppers. I have the green, the orange, and the red bell peppers. I'm going to allow it to saute for 2 minutes. Now that it's sauteed for 2 minutes, I'm gonna add a little kick to it. So I have my homemade jerk sauce that I made, my marinade, and I'm going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of that jerk marinade. So for this jerk marinade, I did not use a lot of peppers, the Scotch bonnet. I just used one, and I also removed the seeds because I don't want so much heat. But my husband does like a little bit of heat, so yes. Next, I'm going to go in with my black pepper, and I'm just going to put in just about 1 teaspoon. And it's followed up by some of this Creole seasoning. Now I love this Creole seasoning. My God, it is so good. And then I'm going to add some Old Bay because I'm using seafood. I like that Old Bay taste in my seafood. Plus, I'm in Maryland, so yeah. City of Old Bay. Now I'm going in with some garlic powder. Just about 1 teaspoon. Some onion powder. The same, about 1 teaspoon. And just move that around. And then I'm going to go in with my diced pineapple. Now I'm going in with my mixed vegetables. Now these are frozen mixed vegetables. And this is about ½ a cup of mixed veggies. And next, I'm going to start going in with my shrimp. Now I'm using the raw shrimp, the medium size, that I deveined, and I removed the shell as well. Now I left the tail on for presentation. I'm going to allow that to saute. I'm also going to be adding some of that cooked shrimp that I got from Walmart. Now usually I would season up my shrimp first when I'm making my fried rice, but this time I did not have sufficient time, and this was a quick meal, so this is why I just placed it in there without any seasoning on. Now it's going to absorb whatever seasonings that I have already put in, and shrimp does not take a lot of time to cook, so just monitor it because you do not want it to become rubbery. That's what happens when it stays in for too long. And now comes the fun part. So now I'm going to be adding the rice. Now this is 2 cups of parboiled brown rice. Now I cooked the rice earlier and I allowed it to sit for a few hours before I used it in this recipe. It's better if you allow it to sit than it's hot, because then it's going to be sticky and then you don't want that sticky rice. So, but if that's what you want, that's fine as well. Just gonna move it around like so. Look at those colors though. And now I'm gonna go in with the rest of the rice and get that nicely incorporated. Now I can't find the footage, but I also added some soy sauce to here. Not too much, just about a tablespoon. I'm going to continue to mix this together until it's well incorporated. Thanks again for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this simple fried rice recipe. See you guys next time. Have a good one.